Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Today I'm going to make a translator app using MIT App Inventor after a long time. Let's start the video. This is the design part of my translator app. I have used totally 7 horizontal arrangement. In first horizontal arrangement, I have used Wingy image. For second one, I have used text for label 1. In third one, I have used text box and I have button Hindi, button Canada, button French and button Spanish. Let's move on to the blocks. This is the coding part. When button 1 click, it will call translator 1 and request for translation in the text box. Once the text is translated by the external service, translation will attempt to detect the source language and will get display in label 1. The same coding for remaining button. Let's see my app in my phone. This is my translated app. Now I am going to type a word. Daddy. In Tamil. In Arabic. In French. In Spanish. That's all friends, this is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. Myself Muhammad Adyan from LiQWYD.